But now guys, before we start with this crash test, I'd like to do a little giveaway. You guys are amazing these days. The video with the Lamborghini rocket race was so great, and now you can win these 3 Lamborghinis. As you can see, I got here the Lamborghini Aventador, Lamborghini Urus and Murcielago. And yes guys, all of these cars are completely new. Now I say what you have to do. First step is like this video, then subscribe Wirte Test and make sure that the notifications are on. Next step is follow and like Wirte Test on Instagram and on Facebook. And the last point is write a comment with the words "pick me." Yes guys, it was all, and I will announce the winner in 1 month. And also important is that this giveaway is international. And yes guys, now we go on with this crash test. I'm so excited. Let's do that.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Look at that. The starting point was over there, and here the Enzo Ferrari is right here. It's so far away. What a beast. But now two cars are still missing. Here are 3 of these 5 Hot Wheels cars. This one is working fine. The Enzo Ferrari is working also very good. Here the yellow one. Yes, also good, but not so good as the red ones. And also check out the 4 lanes, guys. These are completely destroyed. And yes, I hope you like this video, and as always guys, thumbs up for new crash tests, and